Is your Tesla Model 3 passenger door refusing to open from the inside? The most frequent culprits are the inside handle mechanism, the Bowden cable, or the electric latch assembly. We'll explain how these components work together and why they're prone to failure in Model 3s, especially those built before 2023. This often includes cable stretch, wear and tear, or manufacturing defects in the electronic locking system. Recognizing these issues is the first step to solving the problem. To diagnose the Tesla Model 3 passenger door issue, start by checking for error codes using the Tesla app or an OBD2 scanner. First, use the Tesla app or an OBD2 scanner to check for error codes related to the door latch. If there are no error codes, the issue is likely mechanical. Start by inspecting the inside handle. Is it loose or does it feel like it's not connected to anything? Next, check the cable mechanism. The cable could be frayed, disconnected, or binding within its sheath. Finally, consider the latch assembly itself. Is it making any unusual noises? It might be failing electrically or mechanically. If the problem lies with the inside handle or cable, you might be able to fix it yourself. You'll need basic tools like plastic trim removal tools, screwdrivers, and potentially a new cable kit. First, carefully remove the door panel. Then, disconnect the old cable from both the handle and the latch assembly. Install the new cable, ensuring it's properly seated in both locations. Test the handle to make sure it's actuating the latch before reassembling the door panel. Be careful not to over-tighten anything, and make sure all the clips and fasteners are correctly in place. The electric latch assembly in your Tesla Model 3 is more complex than mechanical parts, as it's integrated with the vehicle's electrical system. If you suspect an electrical issue, it's best to consult a professional to avoid damaging the car's systems and potentially leaving your warranty. However, if you're comfortable with basic electrical work, you can start by inspecting the latch for obvious damage or corrosion. Look for signs like melted connectors or worn components that might indicate the problem. For replacing the latch assembly, begin by disconnecting the car battery to ensure safety. This prevents accidental electrical discharge or airbag deployment. Next, remove the door panel carefully to access the internal components. Use plastic trim tools to avoid scratches on the panel. Disconnect the electrical connectors from the old latch assembly. Be gentle to avoid damaging the wires or pins. Unbolt the old latch from the door frame using the appropriate tools and torque specifications. Install the new latch assembly, securing it with bolts and reconnecting all electrical connectors. Finally, test the door operation and reconnect the battery. Remember, safety is paramount when working with electrical components and airbags. Tesla has issued recalls related to door latch issues in the past, primarily for Model 3s built before 2023. Check if your vehicle is affected by searching your VIN on the NHTSA website or through your Tesla account. If your car is under recall, Tesla will typically replace the latch assembly free of charge. Tesla has also released OTA, over-the-air software updates that improve door sensor diagnostics and performance. Make sure your car is running the latest software to benefit from these updates. As of version 2025.12, these updates enable remote troubleshooting via the vehicle's app or service centers. Regular maintenance is key to preventing future door problems in your Tesla Model 3. By taking simple steps now, you can avoid costly repairs and keep your doors operating smoothly. One important maintenance task is to lubricate the door latch mechanism and cable ends periodically. Use a silicone-based lubricant to keep these components moving freely and prevent wear. Avoid slamming the doors, as this puts unnecessary stress on the latch assembly. Gentle closing helps preserve the mechanism and prevents premature failure. If you live in a cold climate, maintain the door seals properly to prevent freezing. Frozen seals can cause the latch to stick, making it difficult to open the door. Finally, consider getting a professional inspection of the door latches during your regular Tesla service appointments. This ensures any potential issues are caught early and addressed by experts. Let's examine real-world examples of Tesla Model 3 passenger door issues. These cases demonstrate how owners have dealt with problems and the effectiveness of different solutions. In 2021, a Model 3 owner was stranded during a road trip when their passenger door latch failed completely. This led to Tesla issuing a major recall, NHTSA ID 21V123, affecting over 1 million vehicles worldwide. The fix involved replacing the entire latch assembly with a reinforced version, and post-repair, the owner reported no further issues after 20,000 additional miles. A 2019 Model 3 owner successfully repaired a cable mechanism issue using a $50 DIY kit. The cable had frayed, causing the door to fail. By replacing the Bowden cable and lubricating the components, they saved $500 in service center costs. The owner then created a detailed video tutorial that garnered hundreds of thousands of views, helping other Tesla owners avoid similar problems. In 2025, a Tesla rental company faced widespread passenger door failures in their high-usage Model 3 fleet. Multiple vehicles experienced latch and cable issues, leading to a class action lawsuit. Tesla settled by providing free upgrades to improved latch assemblies for all affected vehicles. This incident underscores the critical importance of regular inspections and maintenance in commercial fleets. These real-world examples illustrate the range of experiences Tesla Model 3 owners have had with passenger door issues. From recalls solving stranded situations to DIY fixes saving money and the need for proactive maintenance in high-use scenarios, each case highlights different approaches to resolving these common problems. Tesla is moving towards more reliable door latch designs. Newer Model 3s, post-2024, feature improved electric latches and materials, significantly reducing failures. Future models may eliminate cables entirely, relying on fully electric, app-based unlocking systems. Experts predict a substantial decrease in mechanical door issues due to AI-driven wear monitoring. While these advancements are promising, pre-2023 Model 3 owners should continue to be vigilant about door maintenance and potential repairs.